This is the emergency broadcast system, and this is not a test. There was a sound recorded 8 hours ago of a tall tower making a frequency which cannot be heard by a human ear. The tower has different looks all over the nation of the United States. Be careful, the sounds can cause aggressive behavior, forgetting who you are, losing control over your body, losing your ability to hear, blindness, causing harm to yourself, causing harm to your loved ones, and the most dangerous one, death. What to do to stay safe when you see a tower with impossible structure, for example, floating parts, you must put on a sound-cancelling headphone, or else you will face the dangers of hearing the sounds. The towers are activated from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. These towers can appear anywhere, until all the towers are destroyed. Only leave your house if it's an emergency. The government will try to destroy all the towers. Until then, do not get close to the towers. Follow all the instructions. Stay safe. Keep your loved ones safe. Be careful of any tower that random appears around your house. Good luck.